హెచ్ఎస్సిసిలో జరుగుతున్న సదస్సులో రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి కేసీఆర్ గారు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఒకసారి లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
of Chartered Accountancy firms and company secretaries firms, members of press, electronic media, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the government of Telangana and the people of Telangana, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, for his decision to set up an international arbitration and mediation center in Hyderabad. I expect you to clap. We heartfully thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind gesture to our native place. All of us are aware that since ancient time in India, settlements of dispute by village elders has been prevailing. The new trend of alternative dispute resolution system is stemmed from the traditional resolution of disputes at Ratcha Banda in olden days. Now the arbitration is recognized one of the best modes of alternate dispute resolution. India embarked on the liberalization of the economy, particularly industrial and finance sector, as a strategy for economic growth 3 decades ago. We know that ease of doing business and efficient enforcement of contracts are very critical for the growth of economy. Unfortunately, India is lagging behind when it comes to enforcement of contracts. Though it is very late in establishing such a center in the country, we should be happy that it is coming up now and in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very appropriate choice given its thriving IT and industrial sectors and best quality supporting infrastructure like airport and hotels. And our central location and excellent connectivity with the rest of the country and the world, Hyderabad has emerged as a global city in the recent past. The presence of several global Fortune 500 companies in Hyderabad is the testimony to it. Hyderabad is a multicultural, multilingual city for centuries. Further, with its moderate climate, Hyderabad is the best option to locate this center. I once again thank the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, for selecting Hyderabad to locate the International Arbitration and Mediation Center. I am aware that sometimes, due to various reasons beyond control, companies do end up facing contractual disputes and other forms of litigation with their suppliers, customers, or partners. Sometimes even the central and state governments become a party to such litigations. Practical experience of last so many decades show that due to a variety of structural reasons, including insufficient number of courts and judges, the litigation gets prolonged and adversely affect the functioning and balance sheets of the affected companies. The alternate dispute resolution mechanism that the proposed arbitration and mediation center provides would be of tremendous value to the industries and business in India. Due to absence of such facility hitherto in our country, I am aware that many companies have to face enormous challenges in getting their disputes resolved in courts and centers located in foreign cities like Singapore, Paris, Dubai and London. On behalf of the Telangana government, I am happy that we have been able to create a 25,000 square feet facility to start the center without any delay. At the same time, we have decided to provide a suitable land parcel that is in Puppalaguda, just now selected by Honorable Chief Justice of India, very close to the part of the financial district of Hyderabad, for a permanent building for the center. I am confident that under the personal stewardship of respected Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, ably assisted by our trustees like Honorable Justice Sri Nageshwara Rao Garu and Honorable Justice R.P. Ravindran Garu, the center will receive huge patronage, not just from our state and the whole country, but also from the entire Asia, thereby making it stand out as a premier institution of global repute. I am happy that the formal inauguration of the center is taking place in another fortnight's time. I convey my best wishes for the tremendous success of this center. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.